All right, everybody. Welcome to the People's Channel, Mr. Community, based right here in Cincinnati. And this channel is dedicated to helping the homeless. We go around to different homeless camps throughout the city, paying homeless people to collect cans. We also pay friends, family members, and the children of the community to collect cans, which we then take to the recycle center, cash out, and pump that money right back into the community. We also put money to the side so we can purchase some franchises, so we can put the homeless and the people of the community to work. All right. Well, I'm about to head out to a homeless camp right now. But before I go, I just want to remind the people, please hit that subscribe button. That goes a long way towards helping us help our community and help the homeless and the children out here. It goes a long way as far as helping us reach our goal of purchasing some franchises so we can put people to work. So please hit that little red button, the subscribe button. Also, once this channel blow up, we plan on giving back not just to the community, to the homeless, to the children, but also to our subscribers. That's right. Imagine coming to this channel and all of a sudden you run into some cash giveaways. That's right. Just throwing cash at you. Just like that. Giving back to the subscribers. It's about looking out for one another. It ain't nothing but money. And that's what we all about. Giving back to the people. It ain't nothing but money. So support the channel. Hit that subscribe button. That's right. It ain't nothing but money. It's all about the people. So do us a favor. Help grow this channel so we can get out here and grow the community, help our homeless, and eventually get back to our subscribers. All right. I'm about to head out to the homeless camp. Just want to come to you and share that with you. Show us some love. This is the People's Channel. All right. All right. I'm about to bust a move. Got to head to the homeless camps. But remember, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.